That's Tonga Oak.
Yes, sir.
My brother, what happened today in first?
Hey,
Before Scala, what happened? Ushaya skip as it even sits with Pagani. Hey, in King Hak.
no. This was a gift. So angwazi ukuthi ngisibambe ngesandla beswile, so I thought I lost it, yabo. So it's no disrespect, but of course this was a gift for my close friend. Well done to you, Ronaldo Marman. So yeah, it was a gift. So that's why ngishaye kazini, yabo. Yeah.
Speaking about your close friend, before Sibele came in Gangan, Orlando Pirates players were on his neck. How did that make you feel?
No, mina ngifevi Pagania. I understand, mina ngifevi Pagania. Injaya mi yaspana ra, mara mina ngifevi Pagania, yabo. So mina inhlizweni yami bengifuna 3 points. So ukuthi bamtreata kanjani? Hadi ntwana mara I didn't care. Mina bengifuna 3 points. Yeah. No man, I think to be frank is that ucoach wethu today brought Silepe, good player. We don't blame him, yabo. It's just that, man, it's just a game of consequence. It's a game of high magnitude. It's a game where the stakes are very high, you know. And I was commending our coach in the few couple of games that we played that, of course, it has been consistent in terms of the lineup. I think even if you were to throw in element of surprise, throw in an element of surprise, maybe Guma offensive player, you know, but midfield and the defense, it's not the time to experiment much, yabo. So Nakona, when you look at Iteben City that we're playing up against, they had this I've been saying, I don't know this name's boy, Pochenpo and not Data.
Yes.
No creativity whatsoever in these players. None of them, they just make sure that they defend, of course, the last four, they become the wall for the back four. Play side along, break up the plays, and they did phenomenally well. You know, that's why Ngiti, even like let's talk football. The frustrations aside, the team did phenomenally well. They studied us very well. Keys at the left centre back, the goalkeeper, Mashiko's experience, you know, on the left back, on the right. I think is it Ungonga, the guys playing on the right back. You know, and they did phenomenally well. I think just the disappointing part for them is that they couldn't be able to absorb the pressure and break out. You know, so they were just absorbing pressure and abaz kubayenze ngebhola mabalithola, yebo.
Before Kubega and Fetch, I want to play the devil's advocate.
Yes, sir.
Silepe was actually brought in. Many people back a consistency lineup, of which I'm assuming they wanted Cash Makaula to actually come in.
Yeah.
So what is it that Silepe doesn't do that Makaula does when it's on the field of play?
You know, I think in terms of comfortability, in terms of the ball play, he's a lot better. And, you know, like Mbabete Mabam Drop, he was getting better. I was one of the people who was critiquing him that I can see people forward play. But Esquatin, I started to see him playing forward play and everything. But they dropped him. But nonetheless, today, I think me as a coach, I wouldn't have played Uslepe. I would have played either I've been playing Camden Dancing in terms of cameos. This team is not attacking us. This game is similar to which game we were playing? 2-2 game. Yeah, they got those 2 chances and converted. But overall, there was no amount of chances that could hurt us. Same applied today. I don't remember portraying, you know, making a save. A positive point into that 20th clean sheet record extends. You know, but nonetheless, I could have maybe, you know what, Tatumba playing the middle field. Take Tito Maswanganye and play Uriavaya. You understand? If not, play Utansin. Let's push. We want goals. We are a team that want goals. Our striker that came in, Umahoba, love him to bits. Today never offered us. Let's be honest. And I think also in terms of the medical report, they knew Umbotuma had that niggling injury. Why risk him to play? Because he fell first time. Fell second time and he was subbed off. You understand? So, but I mean, you know what? We take a point, we move, we're going to Mbobela.
Yeah. Tito Mfethu before Qhubekela Phambili, he looked disappointed when substitute. Many fans they felt he was actually in the game. Bebakhala ngokuthi why Tito noma ayenza grand bam substitute like and ngathi yonke imphathi grand. What do you think of that?
I mean, I'm fine to be honest, this game we came Tito. Yeah, this game it didn't need us to be fast paced because then Besiwela Ezandens their opponent. We needed somebody who's very calm on the ball, who can be able to play in half spaces. You know, like Mokalubana Abori Sile, a police shooter for the sake of shooting, and where like they've shown us numerous times, Gulezo and Lezo, they think differently. You know, that's when you get concerned. You know, and man, you know what? Apologies to Tito, and of course we commend whomever came in. You know, it's a football, and sometimes you get them right, sometimes don't get them right. It's just that when these kind of results take place at the end, we have this post-match analysis where we talk of what didn't work. What if it worked?
Exactly.
Exactly.
Ngicela ngama predictions wakho nemfethu.
Yeah.
Next week.
Yes, sir.
Who's winning the league? Who's getting relegated?
I think Magesi will get relegated.
Okay.
You know, I think Magesi will get relegated. Obit, sorry. Right
Obit,
away,
yes.
Magesi will go to playoffs. We winning the title.
The Pirates is winning the league. Tatana Letsonga Oak.
Awe.
Cela sivale mfethu.
In closing, I just wanna wish Bafana, if guys I don't see you, guys Bafana yadlala la eLondon. So of course let's come in. I cannot pronounce the country that we're playing up against. So we're playing here. Let's come in numbers. Pirates, Sundowns, Bloemfontein Celtics, Obit. Let's give them a proper send off, and whomever going to be selected, right? The last squad. We wish you all the best. You've done very well. You've been phenomenal. You've been noted, and you've been anointed. So God bless you, and let's Bafana has injury-free World Cup.
Unite for Bafana.
Asibonge.
Thank you. Asibonge bafethu. Thank you. PSL Pulse subscribe. Danko.